Here's 3 home improvement projects that'll add value. And these are things you can do without totally renovating the house. These are enhancements. So number 1 would be your kitchen. Simple enhancement would be like fresh paint, new cabinet hardware, new nicer countertops, modern faucet, modern sink, upgrade appliances, or upgrade an appliance. If you've got a newer appliance but one of them's older, you could freshen that up. Nice flooring or flooring accents. Add some tile. Under cabinet lighting does wonders for a kitchen. 2, like your bathrooms, enhance your bathrooms. Don't gut it unless it needs gutted. New sink, new vanity, new hardware on the cabinets, new shower door, fresh paint, flooring, lighting, simple stuff that really give it a fresh look. And then number 3, obviously, is boost your curb appeal, your house, edge your lawn, mulch, weed, do landscaping, power wash, paint, stain, clean and sharpen it up.